Question 1. What is the main source of energy for life on Earth? A moon, B. Stars, C. Sun, D. Planets. Answer: C. Sun. Question 2. Which of the following is an example of a renewable resource? A. Coal, B. Petroleum, C. Solar energy, D. Natural gas. Answer: C. Solar energy. Question 11. What happens when you rub a balloon on your hair? A. It loses weight, B. It gets charged with static electricity, C. It becomes heavier, D. It breaks. Answer: B. It gets charged with static electricity. Why does a bicycle slow down when we stop pedaling? A. Due to friction, B. Due to gravity, C. Due to air pressure, D. Due to heat. Answer: A. Due to friction. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. Answer: C. Nitrogen. What force pulls objects toward Earth? A. Friction, B. Magnetism, C. Gravity, D. Wind. Answer: C. Gravity. What is the smallest unit of life? A. Tissue, B. Cell, C. Organ, D. Organism. Answer: B. Cell. What causes day and night? A. Revolution of Earth, B. Rotation of Earth, C. Movement of Sun, D. Movement of Moon. Answer: B. Rotation of Earth. What is the function of a battery in a circuit? A. To produce light, B. To store electricity, C. To provide electrical energy, D. To stop the flow of current. Answer: C. To provide electrical energy. Which layer of the Earth contains the most iron and nickel? A. Crust, B. Mantle, C. Outer core, D. Inner core. Answer: D. Inner core. What happens to the length of shadows during the day? A. They remain the same, B. They are longest at noon, C. They are longest in the morning and evening, D. They disappear completely. Answer: C. They are longest in the morning and evening. What is the primary reason for seasons on Earth? A. Distance from the Sun, B. Rotation of the Earth, C. Tilt of the Earth's axis, D. Gravitational pull of the Moon. Answer: C. Tilt of the Earth's axis. Which planet has the shortest year? A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Mars, D. Jupiter. Answer: A. Mercury. Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect on Earth? Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. Answer: B. Carbon dioxide. Which planet rotates on its side compared to its orbit? A. Mars, B. Saturn, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. Answer: C. Uranus. What is the process in which water from plants returns to the atmosphere? A. Evaporation, B. Condensation, C. Precipitation, D. Transpiration. Answer: D. Transpiration. Why do astronauts float in space? A. There is no gravity, B. They are weightless due to free fall, C. The spacecraft has any gravity, D. Space has no air pressure. Answer: B. They are weightless due to free fall. Which type of energy is stored in food? A. Kinetic energy, B. Thermal energy, C. Chemical energy, D. Electrical energy. Answer: C. Chemical energy. Which simple machine is used in a seesaw? A. Lever, B. Pulley, C. Wedge, D. Screw. Answer: A. Lever. Why do metals expand when heated? A. Particles move slower, B. Particles move faster and spread apart, C. Particles decrease in size, D. Heat removes mass. Answer: B. Particles move faster and spread apart. Which color absorbs the most heat? A. White, B. Red, C. Yellow, D. Black. Answer: D. Black. Why do ice cubes float in water? Ice is heavier than water, B. Ice is less dense than water, C. Ice has no weight. D. Ice repels water molecules. Answer. B. Ice is less dense than water. Which of these waves is used in mobile communication? A. Sound waves. B. Microwaves. C. X-rays. D. Gamma rays. Answer. B. Microwaves.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.